Hey guys, Mitch here, better known in the forums as NLS Star. I'm here to start the first of my 4-part series describing how to create better video for you to use to post into the new NLG members only video site. There's a lot of things you can do that involve just a little knowledge, some tips, some tricks, and even some household items that you may already own, or could go out and purchase at a very minimal cost. Now, I am taking into consideration that a lot of our members will be using webcams, digital camcorders, and maybe even some old VHS cameras that are still out in circulation. It doesn't matter. Video is video, and the tips and tricks that we will go over here in the next couple of sessions will cover everything you need to know, irregardless of what type of camera or computer or programs you're using. Today we're going to start with lighting. Lighting is one of the most critical parts of a video production. There are some things that you just have to know, and there are some things you just shouldn't do. Let's have a look, and I'll describe the proper way of lighting your videos.
There are a few things you should consider when setting up your lighting for your video projects. Light position is critical, not only so your viewers can see you, but proper lighting lets your camera record at optimal performance. The grain you see and sometimes blame on an old or bad camera may also be caused by bad lighting. Lack of color can create grain due to the lack of pixel information. When lit properly, a camera's CCD chip gets all the color information it needs to create a quality picture. Here's what you need to create a good, low-cost lighting setup for your videos. If your camera has an onboard light, always use it. It is set by the manufacturer to be the correct white light. You can use a household lamp effectively by removing the shade and replacing the bulb with a more suitable one. Halogen desk lamps are flexible and create a quality white light. You can buy a reflector light at a home improvement center. They have a lot of versatility. They come with a reflector shield. They are small and portable. Most are on a hinge, and most also come with a clamp on the end. It's perfect for small areas or short setup time. One important tip is to spray paint the inside of the reflector flat white to give your light even distribution and avoid hot spots. When using household lights, it's always good to use soft white bulbs. The frosting on the bulb diffuses the light and makes it more even. A 150 watt light bulb would be the best. No matter which lighting situation you choose, how you position them will make all the difference in the final quality. The number one basic rule for setups is light, camera, subject. This is critical for proper lighting. In a single light setup, your light will be called the key light. How high or how low you set your key light will also affect your final look. A low set key light will cause a bright reflection on the shiny finish of your guitar, and one set too high will cause heavy shadows across you and your guitar. The best height position should be eye level. You may also want to take advantage of sunlight spilling in your window. This will work great if you remember the number one rule: light, camera, subject. Always situate yourself facing the window and letting the light hit you on your front. A window behind you will always cause a backlighting situation which will render you out as a silhouette. Never a good idea. If you can't avoid a backlight situation from a window, draw the curtains or tape at night. Sometimes it's best to start with a blackened room and bring your own artificial light in to give you the most control. If you want to use a window light or more lights with your production, always designate one as your key light. The other lights will then all be called fill lights. The key light is always focused on your subject, while the fill lights are a great way to remove shadows or brighten an entire area. By setting them aside or behind a subject, as long as you have your key light in the right position, they do a great job of filling light throughout the rest of your scene.
Well, there you go. That's a quick, simple look at a lighting rig you can use to create your own videos to upload to the NLG site. I guarantee you that if you use those quick tips, you'll get instant results and have better looking videos for all of us to see. It's a lot of fun. You can use your imagination, change some positions, use some different lighting. It's all up to you, but it will make it better and make it more enjoyable for everybody to watch. Next time, we're going to take a look at cameras and how to set them up to even improve your video quality better than you ever thought. So till the next time, get out, start taping, jam away, upload, and rock the Todd.